Okay, today we're going to be installing some new products on the Jackson Big Rig for Uncle Lim's Outfitter. First off, we're doing a transducer kit with a battery tray. Real nice product that Jackson just released. We're going to be doing a Ray Marina Dragonfly. First off, what we're going to do is mount the transducer out of the Ray Marina. This is what your transducer looks like. It'll be mounted onto the bottom of your boat. Okay, I've got the wire started up through your scripper hole in the bottom of your kit. All you got to do is just pull the wires through on this. It comes with a supplied bungee cord. Just pull it up to the top. It's going to go through the hole in your transducer right here. You're going to pull it along with the wires up through your scripper hole, and it'll set flush on the bottom. Just like this is how it'll look when it's installed with the bungee cord through the scripper hole. Okay, with your transducer properly mounted, it should look just like this with your wire facing to the front of your kayak. And then what you're going to do is run up through here. I've already pre-marked 2 holes for your drommets. What we're going to do now is install the drommet. You take the nut off the back side. Make sure you got your rubber washer facing the outside. That's what's going to seal it in between the kayak and the drommet. What you want to use is a 1-inch hole saw. Then all you have to do is take your front lid off here. Twist it in. Take your nut and place it on the back side of this. Just like so. Then all you do is pull your excess wire up. The little cover for it will have to come off because it will not fit through. Stop it. Alright, this is what it should look like completely installed. Put your lock nut on it, pulls this rubber drommet down and makes it watertight for you. Then after this, you're ready to do the battery tray install. Okay, this is what your battery tray looks like. It's pretty simple. What I've done on this, just because I'm not running the actual battery box, so it comes with this foam block. What I did is made a template of my battery. I cut this out to help hold my battery better. It's going to sit down in there just like this. I'm going to take and place the battery down in here. It's good and tight. Put your strap back across this. And what it does is it slides up in the bow of your kayak and it goes underneath the first foam block right here underneath your track system. Nice and neat, clean, still got plenty of storage. Your second foam block is designed to sit in here just like this right here. What that does is add more strength. Keeps everything from sliding around so you don't get no racket, nice and quiet. Okay, I've pre-drilled the second hole for your second drumming supplied in there. Just follow the same steps. Take the back nut off, pull your front nut off, and pull the rubber grommet out of this side. It will make it a little bit easier for this install. Lay this stuff down here. And what you're going to do is the end going to your fish finder will come back out this hole. Just like this right here. Slide this down over it. Let's see. First of all, you got to put your nut on the inside. Take the inside nut, start it first, then feed through the hole. Run your nut down tight. Feed your supply line back through right here. The rubber grommet goes on. Should set out flush. Slide your nut down over this. And as you watch, as I tighten this nut down, this hole closes in to make this watertight. And there you have it. It's completely sealed off. Nice clean install on the battery rack. Okay, the next product that you're going to need is a ram mount. It's real simple to use. It'll go right on the track system with the Jackson. And this will mount your Dragonfly right to this just like this. Very easy to install. Okay, all we have to do on this, very simple. It's got two tabs here. What you do is push down on it and it frees it up so it'll spin. Line it up with your track system. Slides right up. Hold one side down. Tighten it up. I'm going to put mine up here fairly close to the front to keep it out of the way of rod holders. Once you tighten it up, all you have to do is take and pop this down on here. Tighten your nut up on the side. The Dragonfly has notches here that sits in there, locks it right into place. Then once you get this popped in, all you do is pull your waterproof cover off. Slide this back just a little bit more. And it falls off. Nice clean install. Then we should be ready to power on now. Hit your power button. Dragonfly is installed. This should take you about 15 minutes. This is my first video. Be patient with me. From now on, I'll be posting one video a month on product or somewheres that I've fished that I enjoyed. Thank you. And if you get time, stop in and check out Uncle Lim's Outfitters.